Vinyl flooring is long-lasting and a great way to create wood look or stone look flooring in your home. Forget staining, waxing, and polishing. Most vinyl is easy to maintain and clean without all the extra work. All you need is a damp mop and an occasional vacuum to keep vinyl floors looking fabulous. Let's take a look at all the types of vinyl flooring. Vinyl planks are our most popular type of vinyl, and that is because they are low cost but also super durable. You can install vinyl planks 3 easy ways: glue, interlocking or floating, and loose lay. If you're looking for a floor that is super permanent, a glue-down plank is the way to go. It's super great for high traffic areas and it won't ever budge. One of the most common ways to install vinyl flooring is interlocking or floating installation. These planks are made with an interlocking mechanism that snaps together easily. Just simply lock your floor together plank by plank. If you are ever worried about replacing a plank, a loose lay installation does not require glue, staples, or any locking system to install. Instead, each plank has a backing that grips the floor. You'll only have to use tape around the edges of your floor or glue if it's high traffic. This makes replacing a plank a breeze. You probably have an exact image of how you want your floor to look. Lucky for you, there are several different patterns and styles to choose from. For example, a wood look vinyl is very popular and comes in both smooth and distressed finishes. There are also many color variations to match any interior style. When it comes to plank size, you've got choices. Perhaps you've seen those trendy wide planks that have hit the market. If you love the look, we have it for you. Our vinyl tile flooring is versatile, durable, and perfect for any room. Some vinyl tiles are even groutable for a more finished stone look. Stone look tiles mimic all of your favorite natural stone without the heavy price tag and labor-intensive maintenance of a natural stone floor. A wood look vinyl is also very popular and can be bought smooth, distressed, and with color variations. Unlike hardwood, vinyl tiles never need to be refinished or stained, so you can enjoy your floors longer. They can also be found in fun, more colorful patterns for a unique look. Vinyl sheet flooring is the original vinyl flooring option. It's what people usually remember when they think about vinyl flooring. Vinyl sheet flooring usually requires a professional to install. And that is because vinyl sheet flooring requires a specific technique. Because of this, it can be tricky to install yourself. Most people use vinyl sheet flooring when covering a large area since it is less expensive than other types of flooring. WPC vinyl is one of the newest developments in luxury vinyl flooring. It is 100% waterproof and can stand up to big messes. WPC vinyl has some great features that make it perfect for a busy household. Let's take a look. WPC stands for Wood Plastic Composite. This composite core makes the vinyl 100% waterproof. Because it is totally waterproof, this luxury vinyl flooring can be installed virtually anywhere. Bath time splashes, spilled drinks are not a problem for WPC vinyl. The waterproof vinyl will never buckle or swell under liquid spills. WPC vinyl flooring is typically comprised of 4 layers to create a durable product. First, there is the backing layer, and that is the backbone of the plank. Second, the core. This part is wood plastic composite and 100% waterproof. Third is the printed vinyl layer, and this is where your style and design comes from. It can mimic wood, stone, and other natural materials. And finally, the wear layer. This protects your floors from surface scratches. The thicker the wear layer is, the better the protection is against scratches. Rigid core vinyl flooring is also known as SPC vinyl flooring. And this refers to the stone plastic composite core in this ultra-dense vinyl. Like WPC vinyl, rigid core is also 100% waterproof. It's perfect for messy pets and messy people alike. Vinyl flooring is a great choice for a modern, durable home flooring. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on our website via live chat or give us a call. We'd be happy to help.